Hey everyone, today we are going to see how we can automate UI tasks using Java. We will create a basic program that opens the start menu, launches Notepad, and then types hello world. The code is pretty self-explanatory, but there are few lines that need some understanding. So let's start with the structure. First we will start the program, then we will press Windows key to open start menu. After that we will wait for a second so that start menu has enough time to open. After that, we will type Notepad and press enter. Then we will wait for 2 seconds to make sure Notepad gets opened. And then here we are using custom method type string to type hello world inside Notepad. So this is our structure. Now let's see the code implementation of this structure. In the main method, we are using instance of robot class. Robot class is part of AWT package. It can programmatically simulate mouse movement, mouse clicks, and keyboard presses. Basically, robot class is used for automation of graphical user interface or for creating automation script. We will use try and catch block because robot class has high chance of getting error since it directly deals with the system's native input, which is very important for in case it throws the exception. So we'll use that. Our program is divided in three steps. Step one is opening of start menu. Step two is opening of notepad, and step three is typing hello world. Let's start with the step one, which is opening of start menu. We'll use key press and key release method, which are part of robot class. They help us simulate pressing and releasing of a key in keyboard. So we'll use that. Vk underscore windows is key code for window button. In your keyboard, you have windows key na? That is exactly what we have written over here in the form of key code. After that, we will wait for a second, which will make sure that start menu have enough time to open. And now step 1 is completed. Now come the step 2, which is opening of notepad. We are using custom method type string and passing two parameters, robot and notepad. This will make sure that robot that notepad gets written in a robotic format. After typing notepad, we will hit enter, and then we will wait for 3 seconds so that notepad can get open. We will see type string custom implementation over here. For now, let's focus on step number 3, which is typing hello world in notepad. Again, we are using type string for this purpose, and that's it. Our program is completed. Now let's see the custom implementation of our method. Delay method. This is pretty straightforward. We are using thread for pausing our program for a particular time. We are taking parameter in terms of millisecond to determine how much time we have to pause. For example, we are waiting 3 seconds here and 1 second here. Press enter is also pretty straightforward. It simply simulates pressing and releasing of enter key. So this is also easy. Main part is this type string, which takes two parameter robot and our text, which is notepad in first scenario and hello world in second scenario. So let's understand type string. This method iterates through each character in the string. It checks if the character is a letter, digit, or white space, and then it gets the key code for the character over here. This line is very important. Mm, let's say we want to simulate typing a character onto our computer screen. Now, computers don't understand A or B, they understand numbers. So every key on your keyboard has a unique number. This number is called key code. That's exactly we are using here also. For example, vk underscore windows is key code for our Windows button. Similarly, we will extract the key code for N, key code for O, key code for T, like this. For that, we are using custom method type string to simulate that. Get extended key code for char will return the key code associated with that character. Alright, I hope this is clear. And then we are using key press and key release to type that in a robotic format. After that, we will wait for 50 millisecond so that another character have enough, so that previous character has enough time to process. For example, key, after typing key it will wait for 50 millisecond, and then after typing E it will wait for 50 millisecond, then after typing Y it will wait for 50 millisecond, like this. Not key code but notepad and hello world. All right. And that's it. With just few lines of code, we have automated opening the start menu, launching Notepad, and typing hello world. This is a basic example, but you can extend this concept to automate more complex tasks, which we will see in next video. Thanks for watching.